Okay, so a very quick one. We two want to now say okay, make we see how we feel use work with Netlify, right? So first thing what we want to do, or first thing what we want to now say, okay, make I come to Netlify and scale and ship up faster, right? So make I sign in, and of course I go to use my GitHub. Makes sense, right? So my GitHub account. So this is good, right? So make I just make sure everything load. They already work on me, but it's fine. So make we quickly deploy here. So we go definitely rely on so I'll show now two ways well for you. If I make we even do the first one, right? And the first one so make I just come here. So the first one we'll use the drag and drop. So wait till one puts here. So if I come here, remember, so we already export all our app come here. Remember when we do Firebase, right? So if you just review, makes sense, right? Then come here, drag this guy. Oops. So just drag this outlet. What's wrong with this guy? So drag puts here. So we will wait for to load. Awesome. So this one are the simple, fast and easy way, right? So you upload everything where we need, and yeah, so everything on the process and finish. So if I click here, voila, so you see how it works. So you can copy this now and send to your friend. Very simple. But someone will say, you know, like this URL is fine, because yeah, we can change the domain. Maybe that place again. I think no, not there. Yeah, domain management. So if you come to domain management under this option here, so if you change them to, so I say yeah, I just use get to dev. Yeah, so get to dev, save that. Awesome. So if I hit here now, get to dev. Brilliant, right? So this is how simple it is to work with Netlify. So the other way we'll go use now using GitHub, and of course professionally GitHub you go want to use, right? So make I come back. So add new sites. I want import them, right? So I use GitHub. So to authenticate me, right? Okay, so I know say now next Vercel. So now we use more let and find all the files. Okay, so now be this, right? And that even reminds me, remember saying next the use out there, right? So we need this guy to get them. So first thing first, so okay, so make I just come here first, type the output, so that will be exports, right? So make we push them again. So I'll say git add and git okay, commit, say adding output. Okay, so git push. Okay, so that's good, right? So let's continue with this. So I'm using the pipeline, the branch for main branch, right, as my pipeline. Then yeah, make I give them a name. So make I say get to. So I just name and get to. Let's check if it's available first. Not available. So I say get to dash dev. So more check for the availability. Oh, it's available. And nothing else to be done. let's deploy. Okay, so we have to wait for it. Okay, so most times I like to look the build, right? So in case any issue come up, we go know where to tackle them. So obviously it's building fine, everything is in progress, that's completed, and cleaning up, processing, blah 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 blah. Okay, good. And so waiting for it, preview, skip, completed. Makes sense, right? So let's hit here. Hula, that's good. So if we come to the overview, right? So this is our URL. So if I hit here, Hula, we see our site. So remember again, if we change some stuff, right? It will trigger, make us show now first. So make I come to our main page and just RAFCE. Okay, so this is hosting in Netlify, and so make I also add and commit, just use anything, then push. So once I do that, once I push, all the pipeline we did trigger to main, right? All of them will be activated, of course, and we'll get something. Yeah, done. Okay, so make I come to Netlify here and refresh here. So that publish what you see here will suppose change here. Yeah, so you can see building going on here. That's one. If I come to Vercel here, because Vercel said they use that repo. So Vercel said suppose if you load finish. So now I just remove all this. Okay, so this guy don't build finish. I don't know if Vercel slow. So if I come to this overview and you can see the preview of this guy, right? And I trust Vercel as well. So itself suppose don't build finish. But this is it, right? So you can see that trigger. On this shall say this guy is good. Okay, at least would they show now say Netlify download. I don't know why this guy is slow. Massive render of course is slow, so I don't trust on that. So let's see, adding outputs, right? Let's see this command here. Yeah, adding outputs. So I'm with this, right? So you don't do trigger, and I just want heat. Let me go to projects. So yeah, so it said this one saved on build. So this one at Vercel, this one at Netlify, this one at Netlify, right? So that's it, right? Super cool, super good. So you've learned, you don't learn how to use Firebase, you don't learn how to use Vercel, Netlify on render, right? I mean, these are super good tool, right, for you to deploy your application and send down to your friends, right, so that they go see what you they do. In the next one, we will see how we fit use Firebase build a pipeline, but this time around I won't make we use mostly all these things. Will just mostly how we fit use Vite as well to achieve them, right? So see you in that class. In case now Vite you they use, you know, go they left behind, right? So we'll meet again for them. See you guys soon. Yeah.